Refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more details on the processes shown in this video. Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on HRX lawnmower blade replacement. In this video, we'll show you how to properly and safely change the cutting blades on your HRX lawnmower. Honda recommends using Honda genuine parts when performing any maintenance on your lawnmower. Honda genuine parts are designed and manufactured to the precise standards as the original parts. Here's a list of items you will need to replace the blades on a Honda lawnmower. A torque wrench capable of measuring between 30 and 50 foot-pounds of torque. Hand tools to remove the blade bolts with a 14mm hex head. And a block of wood. If you do not have access to these items, we recommend having an authorized Honda Power Equipment dealer replace your lawnmower blades. Before turning the mower on its side, turn the fuel valve off and disconnect the spark plug cap. Then tilt the mower to the right so the fuel cap is up to prevent fuel leakage. Use a block of wood to stop the blades from turning while you loosen the mounting bolts. Do not remove the center bolt. These blade mounting bolts and washers are specially designed to secure the blades to the engine. Keep them in a safe place. Place the blades next to each other so they bow away from the floor and the cutting edges are going in the same direction. The smaller blade is the upper blade and the larger blade is the lower blade. Place the smaller blade on top of the larger blade so the mounting holes line up. When the blades are stacked correctly, the cutting edges are offset and do not line up. Install the new blades with the smaller blade against the engine using the special bolts and washers. The washers must be installed with the concave side, the side that is curved inward, toward the blades. Do not use any other type of bolt or washer to mount the blades. Use a block of wood to keep the blades from turning while you tighten the bolts. Use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts to between 36 and 43 foot-pounds. Warning: if the blade bolts are not torqued properly, the blades could loosen and be thrown from the mower and seriously injure or kill someone. Ensure the blade bolts are properly torqued. Finally, turn the mower back on its wheels and reconnect the spark plug cap. This concludes the video on HRX lawnmower blade replacement. Refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more details on the processes shown in this video. For additional resources, visit us at powerequipment.honda.com.